Hi everyone. So in this video we will learn how you can create a button using JavaScript. So let's get started. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. A link to a style sheet. Add the script file at the bottom, which is script.js. Here I will create a basic layout. So we need a container. I will explain how it will actually work. Don't worry about it. And inside this we need one input element. Type will be text. We don't need name and ID. Just need a placeholder and text will be enter fruit name. Save it. Go to style sheet. Select the container. Display will be flex. Justify content will be space between. Align items will be center. Flex direction will be column, and the height will be around 70 pixels. Select the input element. Height will be 20 pixels. We are going to create one button using JavaScript. So let's give it a minimum width of around 120 pixels. Now just save it. Open this file in the browser. And this is the output. Now let's try to understand how it will actually work. I will have an array of fruits in the JavaScript and I will enter a fruit name here. If that fruit exists in that array, I want to show a button here, and that button will be submit. If that array does not contain that fruit name, I don't want to show any button. Let's go to script file. Select the input element. So it will be document.query selector input. Also select the container. So it will be document.query selector container class. As I said, we will have a fruits array. So let me create it. So let's make it apple, orange, kiwi, grapes, and mango. Now we'll add event listener to this input element. Event will be key up. This will be the handler function. So first of all, we'll check if the text which we are typing in the input box is part of this fruits array or not. So if fruits.includes e.target.value, I want to create a button. So let's make it btn submit. We'll make use of document.create element, and I want to create a button element. We also need some text on the button. So we are going to make use of create text node function. So it will be document.create text node, and text will be submit. Now we'll append the child, which is btn text, to the button, and we append this button to the container. So it will be container dot append child btn submit. It should be btn submit. Now just save it. Go to browser. Type some fruit name here. For example, apple. You can see the button is created. But there's a problem in this. If I'll just delete the E part and type it again, it will create one more button, which I don't want. So let's fix this. Here, first of all, we'll check if the button is part of the DOM or not. So let's make it btn submit outside of the if statement. And we'll make use of document.query selector, and we'll select the button. So if it is not null and we have some value here, then we'll simply remove it. Sorry, it should be container dot remove child, and I want to remove the submit button. Now just save it. Go to browser. Type your fruit name here, for example apple. You can see the button is created, and if I'll hit the backspace, the button is gone. Let me type some other fruit, for example orange. You can see, let me type some random text. So as you can see, it's working absolutely fine. If you want to know how to get this text on the button click, the link of my previous video will be in the description. For this video, it's pretty much enough. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.